In this video, we will look at the merge two sorted lists problem and plan out an algorithm to solve it. The question tells us that we are given the heads of two sorted linked lists, list 1 and list 2. We are asked to merge the two lists into one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the nodes of the first two lists, and we are to return the head of the merged linked list. To solve this question, I am thinking of having two pointers, one that goes through each list and checks which element is lower and then adds it to the list. Once one of the pointers is null, we will iterate over the rest of the elements in the other list and add them to our result list, of which we will return the head.